Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Wajid Tech. Today, we are going to talk about the top 5 symptoms of a bad ignition coil. So let's begin. An ignition coil is an essential component of your car's ignition system. It converts the low voltage from the battery into the high voltage needed to ignite the fuel and air mixture in the engine's combustion chamber. But when the ignition coil goes bad, it can cause a lot of problems. So, let's dive into the top 5 symptoms of a bad ignition coil. Number 1. Engine misfires or runs rough. When an ignition coil fails, it can cause the engine to misfire or run rough. This is because the coil is not providing enough voltage to the spark plug, causing incomplete combustion in the engine. Number 2. Decreased fuel economy. A bad ignition coil can also cause your car's fuel economy to decrease. This is because the engine is not burning fuel efficiently, leading to more fuel consumption. Number 3. Hard starting. If your car has trouble starting, it could be due to a bad ignition coil. This is because the coil is not providing enough voltage to the spark plug to ignite the fuel and air mixture. Number 4. Stalling. A faulty ignition coil can also cause your car to stall while driving. This is because the engine is not receiving enough power to keep running. Number 5. Check engine light. Finally, a bad ignition coil can trigger the check engine light on your dashboard. This is because the engine's computer has detected a problem with the ignition system. And there you have it, the top 5 symptoms of a bad ignition coil. If you're experiencing any of these problems, it's important to get your car checked out by a professional mechanic. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.